Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's Frugal Living here. Thanks for watching my videos, and today I'm going to make boiled eggs in my Instant Pot. So I have an 8-quart Instant Pot, and I'm going to put them on pressure for 6 minutes in here. So I have at least a cup of water in there. That's what you need. And you can do a whole dozen at a time. So I'm just literally going to lay them in here. And this is the first time that I have done them in the Instant Pot. I know somebody who did them, and they had farm fresh eggs. I obviously have some store-bought eggs. And she said they came out perfect. And actually she brought one in and I saw it. She peeled it and they peeled wonderful, even though they were absolutely fresh eggs. So I have an 8-quart pot, and I definitely could get more than a dozen in there. I could probably get at least 6 more in there easily, but for now I'll just do a dozen. Alright, so I have those in there, and I'm going to stick my lid on. And I'm going to say pressure cook. I'm going to do 6 minutes. If you like a little creamier, not so cooked center, you can do as little as 4 minutes I've seen, but I think you get a little slightly runny center. I'm going to turn the keep warm feature off. It presets to that. And also this, I need to push that way. Okay, the clock back there says 5 o'clock. So we'll see how long it takes for them to get done. Alright, so it took it 11 minutes to come up to pressure, and now the 6 minutes of actual pressure is going to start. Okay, so it did it 6 minutes, and then we can do a pressure release. So it's turned itself off, and I have to turn this to, so I'll let the steam out. And I don't like to move that with my hand, so I will just get this spatula, and then it's going to take probably about 5 minutes for the pressure. Once I push this all the way off and let the pressure keep coming out, it's probably going to take about 5 minutes for that to happen. Okay, that didn't even take 5 minutes. That didn't take very long. So, and the valve is down, and this is all the way over here, and all the pressure's off. So I can take the lid off now, and I open it away from me so I don't get steamed. I'll let some of that water drip off in there, and there they are. But I'm gonna have to let them cool down before I am going to even try to peel them, and I'll show you what they look like and how easy they peel. Okay, so these have mostly cooled off. I will say what I have noticed is some of them have brown lines on the ends of them like that. And none of them were touching the bottom because I had them on the wire rack, so I'm not sure what causes that. So if you're concerned about having, you know, like white shells for Easter or something, you know, you might take that into account. Test yours and see if that happens. This one cracked while it was in there. But let's peel. And that is the easiest peel I've ever had on an egg. We'll say that. And this might seem a little strange too, but that doesn't look as white as a white egg as it normally would. But this one might be like this because it was cracked. It does have a little bit of green around it, which is interesting, because most people they say do 6 minutes to get eggs and not get that. So look, when I open that up, that has a little brownness there to it. So like I said, this was the first time I've done eggs. That could be the yolk poking through there. But that peels very easily. Very easily. Need to rinse that off, but let's cut it open and look at this one. Yep. Yeah. I'm thinking I'll do 5 minutes next time. So, just so that they end up with that greenness. I mean, it doesn't bother me that it's on there. I'd rather have the thing cooked, but next time I'll definitely try 5 minutes on the eggs. All right. Thanks for watching.